Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are cooking something new, and as you can tell by the boxes that I have here, we are making my most favorite dish in the whole wide world, which is chicken biryani. Now there's a few ways that you can cook your biryani. I like my biryani जिसे कहते हैं dum biryani, the layered biryani, which you have to give dum for like 15-20 minutes. That really enhances the flavor in the biryani. So 1 cup oil. We will need the masala that I have gathered in this bowl. We will need 1 cup से थोड़ा ज़्यादा, more than 1 cup yogurt. We will need tomatoes. We're gonna need onions. In this case, I am using white onions. I am going to be adding some freshly cut coriander, some mint, ginger, garlic, and some chilies that I'm not going to touch because I am not stupid. And then we have 1 whole chicken over here and some extra water just in case if we need to add some water later at any point of the video. My pan is heated up, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this 1 cup of oil into my hot pan. And इसके अंदर प्याज डाल देते हैं. I enjoy making biryani every day. Like it gets a very nice, equal and balanced golden brown color. Now I'm going to leave it here. What I'm going to do is I am going to take a little bit of the yogurt and put it in my chicken. What that will do is that's going to marinate the chicken and create a different and unique taste to the chicken itself. I'm adding just about. So I've added half a cup of yogurt to this chicken, which is just washed. Now I'm going to add a little bit of the masala just to marinate it really well with the chicken, so that when we add in the chicken itself needs to have some taste. Otherwise what happens is you always get very nice and spicy biryani rice, but you don't get enough of the chicken. The chicken does not get on much of the flavor from the biryani itself as much as the rice do. So now we're going to give this a little stir again. Achha, now that my onions have changed the color and become golden brown, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic, which I have just chopped myself and it's not crushed. We're going to mix this in, and now we're going to cook this for another 2-3 minutes more before we do anything else. So now I will tell you that I am using Shan ka sirf Bombay masala. I am using only Shan Bombay masala and National Bombay Biryani masala. So what this does is, this is mild to bland and this is extra spicy. So what it does is when you mix both of them together, it gives a very nice rich flavor to it. So now to this I am going to add my tomatoes. Now why I am adding a lot of tomatoes is because we need a lot of masala. So I'm not going to add all of them. I'm just going to see how much masala, these much tomatoes. This is about 3 tomatoes right now. 3 टमाटर अभी तक हमने इसमें डाले. आप देखिए कि इसका क्या फ्लेवर बनेगा. अगर ग्रेवी उतनी ही बनती है जितना I am looking forward to, then it's great. I'm going to mix it again before I move on to the other step. Let's let it sit for about a minute or 2 before we move on to the next step. This is probably my favorite thing to do. I take 2 whole green chilies and just toss it in the pan, and I'm going to start mixing it. Now it's going to give a very nice flavor to the already sauteed tomatoes and onions, which is very well caramelized. Now at this stage, I can see that my tomatoes are getting to the point where I can just mush them. So I'm going to just mash them a little like this. Now we're going to change our ladles. So we're going to move on with this plastic ladle. I'm going to put in the chicken that was marinated beforehand. So now, अब ये cooking process को खुद slow कर देगा. The cooking process will be slowed down. I don't like this plastic kitchen much. They don't do any justice to anything that we do. So we're gonna move this side. Now I need my handy folder and I'm gonna start giving this stir. Okay, so you can see at this point I'm just adding and eyeballing enough water that I need and is required, and that's about it. I'm gonna mix it a little and we're gonna move forward. So I give it a little stir, cook it for about 30 to 40 seconds, and then I'm gonna cover it up with the lid for about 10 minutes on high flame and then later 5 minutes on low flame. I want to show you what this looks like right now. This is where we are. At this stage, I am going to add in my rice, which is my first layer. We have done it. I've added the first layer of rice. Now at this point, I honestly want to close the gas. The first layer of rice, I am going to add in this coriander, a lot of coriander, as I said, and I have mixed this with a little bit of mint leaves, which will give a very nice and fantastic taste. I'm going to add in a little bit of green chilies, so give me garlic, it's okay. And I'm just covering it, like everything will be inside of the dum. It can't be outside of the dum. And then to top it off, what I'm going to do is I am going to add the next layer. So now what's happening is the chicken is cooking beneath the first layer and the second layer. And the steam will keep on cooking the rice on top. So हमारी सारी layers हो गई हैं. Evenly then we're gonna just put the color. Normally people actually use of some very good reliable newspaper provided to us by nobody, by ourselves. अब हम इसको ऐसे fold करेंगे. And this is like the OG method of giving dum, so that कहीं से भी heat. Put the biryani on dum, and from now onwards we're going to leave the biryani for dum for at least about 10 minutes. अब ये 10 minutes मज़ेदार है because these 10 minutes are going to be on very high flame. Not very high because I do have newspaper, but it needs to be high and we don't want the paper to burn. So we're going to make sure that the paper is out of the way. Now this is on high flame and so हमारे दम का टाइम पूरा हो गया. The dum is complete. Now we're gonna open and pray that it isn't burnt. Let's pray. I'm so scared right now. So as you can see right now, I am mixing all my rice together enough to incorporate all the spices together and cover each and every grain of rice. People like to leave some of their white rice there, but I don't. I like to cover it all up so that it doesn't give two different flavors. I'm gonna put in all the biryani in the dish. And it's so delicious. Mama, unko bole. So this is what our final product looks like. So this is our final product and we are done. Hello and welcome back to my channel, guys. So as promised, like I said, I'm gonna cook my own food and I'm gonna review how it actually tastes. And today is going to be very different. I'm gonna ask 2 more people to review and taste my food and tell me how it actually. I think this is the best. Nice. I want to know how much do you like the biryani?
It's very tasty.
And what would
really
you rate
spicy.
this biryani out of 10? 10 being very good, 1 being not so good.
10.
Thank you. I'm still keeping the camera on so that I can get a
honestly, you should
real
try.
review.
It's very nice.
See, they can't stop eating once they start. अभी तक खा रहे और जब खाने के लिए मैंने पूछा था तो मैंने कहा था मैं अभी नहीं खाऊंगा और आप रुक नहीं रहे लोग देखो पकड़े गए हैं सारे सब पकड़े गए हैं चलो इधर डाल लें ये एक और रिव्यू बस आप भी चख के बताएं बेस्ट ऑफ लक वाओ बहुत मजे की बाजी आप सब ये देखिए चिकन कितनी अच्छी गली हुई है चावल कच्चे हैं नहीं मैंने तो चावल उबाले भी नहीं है चावल मुझे प्री ये झूठा नहीं like I want an honest review what's good about the biryani and what's bad about the biryani.
हाँ चावल कच्चे हैं रंग बहुत ज्यादा है नमक मिर्च बहुत कम है और क्या सुनना है I love it.
No, that's मतलब they can't stop eating and then they're saying so I'm gonna actually show you what my biryani looks like. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna just take a little bit right now so that I can enjoy the rest of it with everyone else when they're eating. So what? No, I'm not. I'm gonna take a spoon so that I can get a big bite, and I am going to. If you can't tell by my face, then you have no idea how good this biryani is. Like I could make. It's perfectly well balanced. The masalas, the spices are so perfectly like they complement each other so much, and you really enjoy the biryani taste. So I do recommend everyone to try out the biryani and try this recipe and let me know how it tasted and worked out for you, and if you like the taste or not. And keep watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share my video. And for more videos you have to press the bell icon so that you can get notifications about whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.